Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to convert Atome Bill to installments. So let's start. This information you can find in atome.com. So you can allow your split your bill into 3 or 6 equal monthly payments. And this option will be available via Atome app only. Okay, so you have first to have Atome app. Then you have to go home and bills and then to Atome card and between your billing date and due date. This option will not be available when there is any overdue amount, so you have to be clear on this one, okay? In order to ensure that your installment plan is processed smoothly, we kindly request that you settle all overdue amounts on your account, including any, as you say, late payment fees prior to submit your application. So when you have cleared this one, you can get your Atome Bill to installment. As you can see, it's very easy, but first you have to have the Atome app to get it. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.